everyone and welcome back to another N.E.S.T video. I hope you guys are all well. So if you didn't know already, today is Valentine's Day. So a day celebrating all things love. And today we're going to be making some cards to send to people that we love. If you've been to N.E.S.T sessions before on Valentine's Day or around Valentine's Day, we do this a fair bit. It's always good to show people that you love them. So you don't necessarily need much for this at all. The main thing you need is some paper or card. I'm using a spare page from a notebook. I'm just going to take that out. If you've got A4 paper, you could use that. If you have any other bits from a notebook, any card, anything you've got around the house that is kind of a blank page, doesn't have to be white, can be any colour. Yeah, I'm just going to cut off the side of this bit. Okay, so now my paper is all sorted. I'm just going to fold it in half lengthways so this side is a bit taller. Okay, so your paper or card or whatever you have should now look like this and open up like a card. Okay, so now we're going to decorate. You can use anything that you have. I've got with me some colouring pencils, some highlighters, some pink and orange highlighters, a pen that also happens to have lots of different colours on it, and a magazine that I may cut some bits out of to stick on top. If you're cutting and sticking things, obviously you'll need a glue stick and some scissors. Just remember to be careful, extra careful with scissors, and have a grown up there to make sure everything's safe and that you're all okay. So I think I'm going to start by cutting out a shape. Okay. Okay, so that's my card all done. Let me just show you. So you saw the big heart that I cut out from this magazine. So that's on there. I've then done some smaller ones which I thought were quite cute at the bottom, and done the same highlighter, some pink and orange highlighter around it. And I've just written Happy Valentine's Day at the top. I now need to write inside it. You can give these to anyone you want, anyone you care about. So this could be a parent, it could be your mum, your dad, could be a friend, it could be a sibling, could be anyone you care about and you want to show them how much you appreciate them. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to write this. I think I might give it to my flatmate. And yeah, we'll see you next week. Bye.